we have the tech. Jill, I'm going to let you take this first part.
Okay, so tech also has three main categories that, when done well, after getting clear during the treeing part, work magically together. And our three categories are, first is real estate. And I love these analogies so much, but real estate is the property location, the housing, the buildings, fencing, and flower beds. The second category are connections, so the relationships between other sections with other sections in our sites. And the third category is our recipes, which includes our ingredients, the instructions, and the outcomes. So Kim, you're going to have fun with explaining these analogies to us and how we can picture this for our pages.
I love it. Well, let's get right into it and let's start breaking them down.